Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to perform factory reset and configure Oppo F5 smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
First, if the device is off, switch it on using the power button. From the main menu, locate the settings icon and engage. Scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Backup and Reset. From this page, tap on the last option, Factory Data Reset. You will see several options. From this, tap on Erase all content and settings. Now enter the lock screen unlock password. A confirmation menu will pop up. Tap on Erase Data. Again, tap on Erase Data. Now wait while the device begins the resetting process. Once it has finished restoring, your device would be as good as new. Factory reset is complete. Now you have to configure your handset. You have to select your desired language. By default it is English, United States. If you do not want to change, tap on Continue. Now select your region. After selecting, tap on Next. You can connect to any Wi-Fi network or you can skip. These are the terms of use. Tap on Continue. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the button Agree. You can add fingerprint, face and passcode for your handset security. If you want to set this later, then tap on Skip. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on Skip. You can enable the Wi-Fi assistant. After that, tap on Continue. You can import data from your old phone or you can set as new Oppo phone. Select any of these. And finally, tap on Get Started. That's it. Your phone has been configured successfully. That is how you can perform factory reset and configure Oppo F5 smartphone.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.